the law of biology shape everything. Guwahati Medical College etia jodi ami Borpeta Dhuburi praha otithik hokolok bad di diu, medical college is virtually vacant. Tat kuno student tat patient nai kan amar jiketa patient ase they are very minimum. Tatu apnaluke data analytics koribo pare, simple data analytics, religion to lobo or district lobo, everything will become clear. So Assamese Ohomia manpower mane etia scared manpower hoi jabo after 5 to 10 years. Korobat eta lora pale ko baba ahto immediately bisari asilu tuk. This will be our situation in next 10 years. So those are crises in our front. Mukhyamantri mukhor pra khunat koi I want to learn about the crisis from the academia. Koto research paper nai je 10 years ot Ohomiyar percentage ki hobo Ohomot. People should do relevant research. Adi relevant research nai. Ohomor manpower upor manav sampodor upor district mojaleke ami jabo paru. We don't have relevant research paper. Etia research paper bilang moi maje maje university jao, Guwahati University moi khudu ki research paper research ase ji bilak research teoluke kori ase those who are relevant 30 years back. A research paper bilake future Ohom ekhon nirman koribo nware. Purona Ohom ekhonor nostalgia anubhob koribo paribo. Jodi Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, gutte research paper bur sai, it is all about nostalgia about the past. Nothing about future. Moi naam kole okonman I will be overstepping. Kino mur jodi shobdo tu buji pai, it is more or less sokole buji pabo. All our research paper is weird around the nostalgia of past. No roadmap for future. I think we need to drastically change the academic situation. Ami Ohomor homogro shiক্ষাৰ পৰিবেশ আৰু আমাৰ outlook. আজি আপোনালোকে মোৰ পৰা এই কথাখিনি শুনিছে, মই আপোনালোকৰ পৰা শুনিব লাগিছিল, মই আপোনালোকক শুনাইছো because I am in practical field. কিন্তু আপোনালোকে যেতিয়া আপোনালোকৰ ষ্টুডেন্ট বিলাকৰ লগত কথা পাতে will feel the same for future. I think we need to drastically change the academic situation. Ami Ohomor homogro শিক্ষাৰ পৰিবেশ আৰু আমাৰ outlook. আজি আপোনালোকে মোৰ পৰা এই কথাখিনি শুনিছে, মই আপোনালোকৰ পৰা শুনিব লাগিছিল, মই আপোনালোকক শুনাইছো because I am in practical field. কিন্তু আপোনালোকে যেতিয়া আপোনালোকৰ ষ্টুডেন্ট বিলাকৰ লগত কথা পাতে will feel the same.